go. In red, that means danger. Yeah, no good. Let's see. Don't think you're supposed to have oil coming out of your exhaust like this, but then again, all the oil could have been racing over this way. All down the bottom of this is oil, 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 oil. Why is it that we're leaking oil every damn where? Hate to say it, but we might just have to start this thing. Well, it could be a double gasket on the oil filter, which we did not do. Could be a drain plug. Seems like that's on tight. Something's majorly wrong here. Well, it looks like whoever did the oil change put a hole in the oil filter. Yeah, that's not good for an expensive Type R like this. Spraying oil down in it. Don't put an oil filter on with a wrench. Put it on by hand. Well, that crap right there will happen. Lovely. You're leaking oil, buddy. Let's inspect this oil filter a little bit better. You see all that right there? That was put on by either some pliers or this tool right here that actually grabs it. These are only used to be taking the filter off, not putting them on, because if you squeeze this thing in there, squeeze it, basically it looks just like this. You're squeezing it, and you're gonna put a hole in it, and they're gonna leak all the oil out. Then you'll be paying for a brand new engine. Well, the moral of the story is, put the oil filter on by hand without a tool. These things are so small, you should be able to put them on by hand. Make sure you put some oil over here on the O-ring and slam it up in there, fill it up, check for leaks. It's not gonna leak because we're not gonna put it on by with a tool that's not supposed to be used while putting on. There we go. In there without a tool. And always replace the drain plug. Oh. Now let's go test drive it. Make sure all those oil leaks are gone. This is how bad the oil was leaking on this guy's car. Here, let me throw this thing in reverse and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's throw it in reverse. Look at that. All you see is oil all over the camera. Those are oil spots. That's insane. Make sure these people put your oil filter on correctly, because you'll be buying the engine, like I said. Now it's time to put this thing through its paces. we know the engine's not blown. Well, if you're gonna drive a Type R, you gotta put it in R mode. Let's do that. Right over here, let's put this thing. There we go. Not only having oil leaking out of your engine will certainly blow your engine and blow turbos and everything else, but also too, having all that oil spraying on the bottom of your vehicle, getting all over the exhaust, well, guess what? Your car can go up in flames. I've seen it before. Oil does burn, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure your mechanic is putting your stuff on right, tightening it up right, and you'll have no problems. Good thing I wasn't show you how fast I was going, because I would be going to jail right now. But man, that was fun. I will say this, being that this is a Honda Civic with a 4-cylinder engine in it, this thing is pretty quick and pretty fun. Yeah, I probably would never own one, but it's still fun. Now after a good test drive, there's no more leaks. Now I just got to clean up all that crap.